Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix broken textures and models in Apex Legends. So the easiest way to fix this is to verify the game file's integrity. So if there is a corrupted file, basically regarding our model or texture files, an easy way to fix this is to navigate through Steam, click Properties, navigate through Installed Files. We have the verify this game files are installed correctly. So you want to go ahead and click on this button, and then it will check the files one by one. And if there is a corrupted or missing file, it will then try to go ahead and fix it. So the next thing that you want to do is to fix your drivers, and that driver is going to be the GPU drivers. So in here, let's simply search for our drivers. I'm using NVIDIA, so I'll search for NVIDIA drivers. Head over to the official webpage. Go ahead and look for the right model. Once again, in my case, it's the NVIDIA RTX 3060 Ti. Click find, and then you want to go ahead and download and install the latest version of your drivers right here. Now, if you're also overclocking your computer, then I highly suggest to go ahead and disable those overclock, because it can actually mess with the textures and models in Apex Legends. But overall, that's going to be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.